the edges. So first we need to filter the portions of the signal. So by comparing with the threshold value of energy, we can classify the voiced part and unvoiced part. And after classifying, we will remove the unvoiced part. So the what is significance? So after detecting the edge of voiced part of the signal, this can be used to remove all unvoiced part of the signal. Data from a speech part of the signal are only taken and stored, and that will be further processed. So this is the code for filtering function, and here we are taking the first we are filtering it like then for filtering we are first making it some blocks, then we will process it, and this is the code for in point detection of the speech. So here I am calculating the energy and comparing it for every block. If it is greater than the 10% of the threshold, I am calculating like 0 0.1 into the mean of the energy for the whole block. So I am doing like this, and after comparing, if it is greater than, if energy is greater than the threshold value, then I am taking it as white, so I am giving it 1, otherwise it is 0. And from that I have filtered the signal. If it is 1, then I am storing the data, otherwise I am removing the data. This is the plot, this is the code for block, and here is result. For a speaker 1, we can see that this is the original signal, and this is in point detection of human speech. So in this one we can see that the it is giving 1 for the signal where the data, the voice data is there, and for not it is giving 0. And then I have stored the value, so it is coming approx 9,000 samples from 16,000 samples. Sorry for that, I have missed the title here. This is original signal, and this is the voiced part only. Similarly, this is for the speaker 2, this is for a speaker 3, this is the speaker for 4, like female 2, and this is female 1, this is male 2, this is male 1. So now pitch period. So what is pitch period? Pitch period is the time interval between two consecutive voice excitations cycles. That is, if we can say that our voice is quasi static, so like it is periodic in if we will take the small part of the voice, then it is coming like periodic. So using that fact, we are calculating the pitch period. So pitch period is defined as the time interval between two consecutive voiced excitation cycles. That is the distance in the time from one peak to the next peak. It is fundamental frequency to the excitation source. Now let's come to pitch period using autocorrelation. So autocorrelation give us the similarity between the signal and shifted version of its signal. If it is coming max at a particular value, then that should be matched. So like that will be the frequency fundamental k value for the signal. So from the fact, this is the mathematical, so this is mathematical for calculating the autocorrelation, and these are the denotation. For pitch calculation, if we will get the maximum value of the autocorrelation at kth value, then the, and let it call it be k max, then the pitch period will be k max by fs, as there are a like in 1 second there are fs signals. If you will get k, then k times fs will be the pitch period. Similarly, pitch frequency will be calculated the inverse, as inverse of pitch period. So it will be fs divided by k max, where fs is the denotes the sampling frequency, and k max denotes the location of first location maxima of ACM after first zero crossing. So what is its significance? The correlation between two waveforms is measured of their similarity. The waveforms are compared at different time interval and their similarity is calculated at is there. So the shifted between the beginnings of the two waveforms. The autocorrelation is the correlation of a waveform with itself. So calculating autocorrelation, we can estimate the time period of the signal. So by calculating the autocorrelation of every small block, we can calculate its pitch period or pitch frequency. So this is the function for autocorrelation function. So I have just write the formula and used it. So this is for autocorrelation function, and here I am calculating the pitch frequency for every block, and after that I am taking the mean of the short pitch because it is varying, so we need to take the mean. In my algorithm it is like that, and these are the code for plotting these datas. So we can see that for a speaker 1, that is male 1, ACF is coming like that. So this is for like 0. You see, it is shifted version, so like this is at 0th position and this will be the first k max value. So after subtracting it, it will give the k max value, and it is at like even function across this, and it is decaying for every lobes. So this is my original signal after removing the silence, and first week values of SCF after first zero crossing. This is the value of peak. I have just plotted to see what is coming for every block, and this is gone above 100, that's why it is not showing. I have put the limit 100, sorry for that. And this location of first peak, it is giving the location of where like kmax, value of kmax. And this is pitch using ACF for short term energy. This is pitch for every block, and we will take the mean of this, so it will come approx 180. So similarly for this is a speaker for second a speaker male 2, this is for female 1, and this is for female 2. Similarly all are coming. So we can say that the value of pitch location or the pitch frequency also, it is coming more than the male. As there we can in the previous we have seen that it is coming 180, and in this one it is coming approx 250. So now comes to the discrete Fourier transform. So similarly for discrete Fourier transform, the discrete Fourier transform is purely discrete. Discrete time data sets are converted into a discrete Fourier responses representation. This is construct of the DFT that uses discrete time but converts to continuous frequency. Since the resulting frequency information is discrete in nature, it is very common for computers to use DFT calculation when frequency is informed. The formula of DFT is written below, and this is the formula, and these are the denotation of the mathematical and the pitch is can be calculated at the total number of length of the samples divided by the total frequency fs, and the value of kmax, where the kmax denotes the maximum value of that the signal is coming in DFT. So by inverting it we can get the pitch frequency. So significance of the DFT operates on discrete data, often samples whose interval has units of time. From uniformly spaced sample, it produces a function of frequencies that is periodic summation of continuous Fourier transform of the original continuous function. So by using this fact, we can calculate the pitch values, and which can be used to detect the gender in next algorithms. So this is the code for the DTFT. This is the formula which I have written as code, and this is pitch calculation. So this is the pitch calculation for I have taken fs is equal to this one. So pitch I am calculating by using fs divided by n into fk max for every block, and after that I am taking the mean for DFT pitch. This is giving the short term pitch. Now And here I am also plotting the any particular block for DFT, and these are the plot. This is the code for plots. So result, we can say that in this one, for mail one, it is coming like in a starting values it is coming more, and after that it is gone like zero for a long time. After that it is again increasing. So we can see that this is coming like periodic. It is symmetric, like we can say that it is symmetric about its origin and midpoint. So this will repeat again and again. So this is coming like we can calculate the maximum value of k, like this value and the position k, and from that we can calculate the pitch values. So this is the void signal after removing the unbiased part, and this is the first peak values of DFT, like what is the value of first peak, and this is coming the k values locations. So we can see for some values it is coming more, and for some it is coming like 5 approx. So we will, and similarly from this we I am calculating the pitch value, so it will come the similar graph, because this is the similar nature, this is directly proportional. So after calculating we will take the average value. This is similarly, this is for male 2, and this is for male 3, sorry, female 1, and this is for female 2. Now we have to classify the genders. So we have already calculated the pitch values in the above code. So from that we will compare the fundamental frequencies of male and female ranges. So we can see that male speech frequency ranges between 60 to 180 hertz, and from where female speech frequency ranges between 160 to 300 hertz. So by comparing this, we can calculate the uh, we can classify the speaker is in male or female. So in this experiment it is coming little higher, but I am able to classify the gender by increasing the threshold value. Like I am not able to distinguish between male and female at 180 hertz or 160, so I have taken a little higher value, 220. So this is the code. Like I have calculating if DFT pitch is coming less than 300, then I am assigning it to male, otherwise I am assigning it female. Similarly for CF pitch, it is 200 to 200, then it is male, and less than it is female. So I know that it is not correct, that's why it is giving like this value, and I'm not sure about that. So, and this is main MATLAB code from where I am first calling the frames to framing the signals. After that I have filtered it, and after that I am again framing it the voiced portion only, and after that I am calculating the ACF correlation pitch and also DFT pitch values, and from that I am sending it to classify gender function, which is taking input as DFT from calculated from these values, and ACF from these values, sorry, this and this, and from that it will give the answer. So on the basis of ACF speaker, it will general as ACF, it will send the gender of using ACF, and this will be gender using DFT, which is stored here. After that we will just we can see the result. For male 1 it is coming ACF pitch is 138.04, and DFT pitch is 193. So this is giving the result on male. Similarly for male 2 it is coming 207 for ACF, and for DFT it is 283. So it is also giving male. So and for female it is coming 243. We can see that it is more than that 220 values, and this is more than 300. So it is coming DFT pitch is 428. So this is giving female. Similarly for female 2 it is coming 280 ACF pitch, and the DFT pitch is 502. So it is also giving. So now let's comes to the create a speech database for validating the performance of your method. So I have recorded 2 male and 2 female voiced in WhatsApp, and samples it at 16 kilohertz, and converted into dot waveform, and then I have observed these values, all our values, and the database are uploaded on Google Drive link also, which is sent in the group. So report the accuracy of the method. I am not actually sure about this, but I have tried some previous databases also. But in these databases, 100% accuracy for these above four databases. But I have run the algorithm on different databases, we have 18 datas before, and also like I have got 90% is accuracy on ACF and almost 75% on DFT. It is not it is almost value. I have not calculated the accurate value. So let's come to the observation. I have observed and learned to calculate the pitch of the voice signal using autocorrelation function property, and also by DFT from comparing the calculated pitch of the fundamental frequency range of male and female. Just I have discussed above. I am able to classify the gender of the speaker. Like we have seen that it is classifying for four male and for two male and two female for in all the cases SCF and DFT. I also saw that the pitch using ACF is coming lesser than the DFT, but more than the actual expected value. That is, I have already talked about it. By setting the threshold value of the frequency, we got the classification of the gender. In my algorithm, the accuracy of ACF is coming out to be more than the pitch using DFT, because ACF is coming a little low, closer to the value it should be. Like it is coming for male, it is coming 138, which is correct, and this is coming 207, but it should come around 180 170, then it should be correct, but I don't think what is happened to this. So this is the observation. Thank you, sir.